Practice exercise 6-3, moving and deleting solid faces. We're going to download practice exercise 6-3 from D2L. Open that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to delete these sub-object faces. And so we can look at this delete faces command. If you hover over it long enough, it'll give you the help content on it. Not much. But we'll say delete faces, and then as we work on this, we don't want to take everything, we just want a sub-object face. And so you hold the control key until you can acquire that inside. You can then use the view cube. I'm not too good with the view cube to rotate it. Holding control, select the next one. I'm just going to hold the shift key, switch back to the control key, switch to the shift key, hold the control key. And so I've selected those sub-object faces, and then what we can do is we hit enter and enter, and you can see that it's deleted it now. And then the next part of the exercise is to change the size of an existing sub-object. And so what we'll do is we'll offset these other two faces. It looks like I missed that. We'll offset this outside face and this offset face by 5 units. And we'll offset the cylindrical hole to be bigger by 5 units. Let's do step 3 first. And so we'll come back to our CAD file. We'll go to offset faces, hold the control key, acquire the inside selected surface face, hit enter, and then I believe it was 5. And I think I'm wrong. Decide to use positive or negative. Well, I guess I decided the wrong way. So we're going to undo that. Try it again. Hold the control key, select that sub-object, hit enter, and then this time we'll say -5. And that'll make that bigger, and we'll exit and exit. And then we can offset these other faces by 5 units. We already deleted the small opening, and so they kind of wonky it up a little bit. Offset face, control click, enter, 5. Shift middle mouse wheel, or if you want, I'm not sure if it'll work as a transparent command, tools, toolbars, AutoCAD, and you can see if you can get a orbit command. Yeah, that's not it. Offset face, control click, enter, 5, enter, exit, exit. Alrighty. Put the title block on. Double click in the viewport, view, zoom, all, view, 3D view, southeast isometric. Put a visual style on that. We'll lock the viewport. Fill out the title block and save the exercise. Turn it into the assignments folder. That completes lab exercise 6-3.